2018 GMC Denali Supercharged B 6.2 liter V8. It's got 640 horse. Got stock converters there, but he's gonna bring it back and we're gonna put some Steelworks headers on it. There's a third converter, and then we did a muffler delete. He took it somewhere else and had duals put on. He didn't like the sound; it was too quiet. So he brought it to us, and we cut the muffler off. So I got the tailpipes. I guess it's a kit into 4-inch roll tips right there and right there. There's the muffler we cut off. It's Borla system. Okay, there you go. There's that Borla muffler we just cut off. 2018 GMC Sierra Denali 6.2 liter supercharged truck. Really nice. We did a few things to it before. He brought it back. His neighbors complaining too loud, so we made it a little bit quieter for him, which we don't like to do, but it's okay. He's got factory converters there and there. Third converter there. Then what we put on it is a MAGNAFLOW, part number 12649. As you guys can see right there. To quieten it down for him, it's a 24-inch muffler. Then it's wide out. We did the duals way back on each side, there and there. There's the Y pipe all the way out the back into 4-inch roll tips there and there. This is the pipe we cut off. We straight piped it for him earlier, but it was just his neighbors complain. He works at night, so it was too loud. There it is. Let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Sound decibels again. It's at 104 in sound decibels. That's not bad. Got a nice supercharger on it. Let you guys hear it on the GMC Sierra Denali Supercharged 6.2. Go ahead. Much better. If you would have went with a Borla, it would have been too quiet. Give it gas. The nice thing about MAGNAFLOW, when it's in idle, it's quiet. And then when you get on it, you hear it open up. Yeah, that's perfect. Sound decibels, go ahead. Again? Yeah, right at 100, so that's perfect. Got a nice deep idle to it too. Gotta keep your neighbors happy, man. Still sounds really good though. Let you guys hear on the inside. Whenever you're ready, just bring it on in. We'll take care of it. No problem. Hopefully he'll get on it a little bit for us. Give us a little show. See what that supercharger can do. guys.